Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Bitcoin Cash App to bank account. Start by opening the Cash App mobile application on your phone. Once the app is open, you will be on the home screen. From here, tap on the bank icon. This is usually where your balance appears. When you tap the bank icon, you'll be taken to another screen with several options to manage your account. Look for the section labeled Bitcoin. Once you find it, tap on it to open your Bitcoin wallet. Inside your wallet, you'll see different options related to managing your Bitcoin. If you already have Bitcoin in your wallet, the balance will be shown here. You will see two main options. One is deposit and the other is withdraw. Since you want to move your Bitcoin out of Cash App, go ahead and tap on the withdraw option. Now, you'll see a new screen. Cash App gives you two ways to send your Bitcoin. One way is to scan the QR code of the wallet you want to send the Bitcoin to. The other way is to enter the wallet address manually. For this video, we'll use the manual method. Tap on the manual entry option. Now, you'll need to enter the address of a Bitcoin wallet that is connected to your bank account. For example, you can use a Bitcoin wallet address from Binance or a wallet from PayPal if it supports Bitcoin withdrawals to your bank. After entering your wallet address, you will be taken to a screen where you can type the amount of Bitcoin you want to send from your Cash App wallet. Enter the amount carefully. Once you've entered the amount, tap on the button labeled Withdraw. This will send your Bitcoin to the wallet address you entered. After the Bitcoin arrives in the other wallet, go to that wallet and use its features to withdraw the funds to your bank account. Each platform like Binance or PayPal may have different steps for withdrawing to a bank, but once the Bitcoin is there, the transfer process is usually straightforward. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.